Good morning sa inyo mga mamzer. So ngayong araw ay magdodonate tayo ng dugo. So yun po mga mamzer, kain muna tayo bago tayo pumunta ng health centrum kasi doon ikakandak yung bloodletting. So doon tayo magdodonate ng dugo kasi yung magkakandak doon is yung Philippine Red Cross. So bawal talaga mag-donate ng dugo pag hindi ka nakakain. At yun, maganda kasi mag-donate ng dugo every 3 months kasi yung every 3 months nagbabago yung dugo natin. Pero usual kasi every 3 months, 4 months nagdo-donate ako. Yun lang, parang almost a year yata hindi ako nakadonate. Medyo busy kasi sa schedule . So ito mga mamzer, kita ko sa inyo yung breakfast ko. Yan. Corn beef, itlog, tsaka yung kanin. Okay na yan para magkalaman-laman yung tiyan natin. Para ready tayo sa pagdodonate ng dugo.
A few moments later.
So, yun mga mamzer, tapos na tayo kumain. So, pupunta na ako sa health centrum para mag-donate ng dugo. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So mga mamzer, bago ako pumunta ng health centrum, may dinaanan muna ako sa Robinson's Place.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Dito na tayo mga mamzer sa health centrum. So hindi ako makapagsalita dito kasi bawal yung maingay dito. So quiet lang tayo, quiet. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung proseso kung paano mag-donate ng dugo. So panoorin nyo na lang.